How to view Instagram stories secretly. So, if you want to view the Instagram stories secretly, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, and now if you want to view someone's story secretly, then what you need to do is first, for example, I want to view this person's story, this middle person's story. Then what you can do is you can just simply go with the left side of that particular story or the right side of the story. So I'll just simply go with the right one. After opening the story, now if you want to view the story secretly, then what you need to do is just swipe left. And as you can see that if it is a photo, you'll be able to see that secretly. But if it's a video, then unfortunately you won't be able to see, but you will only see that cover or the thumbnail. In the same way, if you go with the left side and if you swipe right, then also you'll be able to see the story. And after seeing that secretly, as you can see that they have not been notified that you've watched their story. That's how you can view Instagram stories secretly. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.